In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase CPU performance in Windows 11. So if your PC or computer feels slow or laggy, there are a few simple ways to boost CPU performance in Windows 11. Let's get to it. I'm going to show you step by step. So first, open Settings. Click on the search bar, search for Settings and open it. Now go to System. On the left side, click on it. And next, what you need to do is to go and find Power and Battery. Now look for power mode, tap on it, and set it to best performance, just like this. Now this allows your CPU to run at full speed instead of saving power. So make sure you set this to best performance. Now next, what you can do is to disable startup apps. So to start, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC or Escape. Now once you click that, go to Startup tab. So you can find it at the left side, click on it. Now disable apps you don't need when your PC starts. So this reduces CPU load and improves performance. To disable it, right click on the app and click on disable. And that's basically it. Next step is to close background apps. So again, open Task Manager. So click on Control, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. Now once you're in here, head over to Processes and scroll down and look for apps using high CPU. So right click, for example, this one, right click on it and click on End Task. This instantly frees, this instantly frees up CPU resources. So next, close this one. And what you need to do is to update drivers and Windows. Now make sure your system is up to date. So to check that, go to Settings, click on Windows Update down here, and click on Check for Updates. So updates can improve performance and fix bugs. So if it says here updates available, just click on download and install all. And that's it. Now another thing you can do is to adjust performance settings. So press Windows plus S on your keyboard and search performance. So click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows, click on open. Now once you're in here, select adjust for best performance. So this disables unnecessary visual effects. Once done, click on OK, and that's it. Now another method you can do is to click on Windows plus R. Now in here, type in msconfig and click on OK. Next, head on to boot, go to advanced options. Now make sure number of processors is unchecked. So this ensures all CPU cores are being used. Click on OK and click on apply. And that's basically it. That's how you can increase CPU performance in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.